And that every time Allah praises the reality of Sayyidina Muhammad, Allah is praising Himself and His Divinely Self. And Allah then Prophet said, Ya Rabbi, nobody can praise you like you deserve to be praised and how you praise yourself. So when Allah is describing Prophet khuluqul azim, Allah's praising Himself because He gave the characteristic of the greatness and He dressed it upon the greatest of His signs, the reality and the soul of Sayyidina Muhammad. And Allah opened for us to be busy with our durood al-sharif, to listen to the salawats, to have the love and the ishq, the character and the beauty of Sayyidina Muhammad, and that to be dressed in dunya and in akhirah and to be raised with these lights and blessed with these lights. This is the key to our salvation and the key for protection against the Dajjal and every darkness and fitna that enters upon this earth. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifoon wa salaamun al mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Bi hurmati Muhammad al Mustafa wa siri Surat al Fatiha.